Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to change the font size on other screens in WhatsApp. Whether you need larger text for better readability or smaller font for more content on the screen, follow these simple steps to adjust your settings. Launch the WhatsApp app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into it. By opening the WhatsApp app on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the three dots and then click on them. Then when a small window opens, scroll down to the Settings option and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a new page will open where you will look for the Chats option in the drop-down menu and then click on it. This section allows you to adjust various display settings, including the font size. The app will open the following page where you will scroll down to the Front Size option and then click on it. When the options open, you will see three options offered. It is up to you which option you want to choose: small, medium, or large. Just select and then click on it, and the application will automatically switch to that option. To check, you need to return to the home page and then enter any chat. And that's it. You have successfully changed the font size on WhatsApp. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and follow us for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.